everyone. We will have a look into DevOps team structure in this session. In this video, we will go through what is DevOps, why do we need DevOps, what is DevOps team structure and the resources to build it, the various benefits of building a DevOps team, and the best team structure for DevOps. So what do you mean by DevOps? Imagine working in a silo in a company that has a wide range of products that are being used by customers from all over the world. In order to keep up with the customer's needs and issues, it is imperative that the development and the operations team work together. DevOps thus ensures fast and short release cycles that can get new applications and features to customers quickly and reliably. DevOps is also about team coordination and having feedback loops for continuous improvement. This helps in capturing the release bugs as early as possible, thus reducing the testing time. DevOps carries out the following activities in an organization. 1. Engineering and compliance. DevOps helps in managing and enforcing the coding standards, guidelines, and conventions. It also helps in keeping a tab on the tools for developer productivity, code manageability, compliance enforcement, certification, etc. 2. Build and deploy tools. DevOps identifies, builds, and deploys release tools for quicker and faster releases and improves release process and error-free releases. 3. Third-party software management. DevOps helps in defining, controlling, and maintaining third-party software and its versions across the environments. It constantly evaluates and certifies the software upgrades released by third-party software vendors. Now, the whole idea of implementing DevOps in an IT organization is to have frequent releases while increasing the quality of the products. This cannot be achieved if the organization has a number of silos working in separation, even though they all have the same objective. Hence, a DevOps team structure is required to facilitate the ideals of the DevOps culture. A typical DevOps team structure can comprise of the following roles. The DevOps evangelist or automation architect. This person should be the front runner for the organization and be able to lead a team that is passionate about DevOps and the company as a whole, and should be able to determine key value that IT can provide to the business. The evangelist takes care of the end-to-end processes involved in product building and should be experienced in using the tools also. This role also involves making sure that the product is highly available in the production and the pre-production system and is being released frequently. Senior DevOps Engineer. Senior DevOps engineers should possess the following skills. Software testing. Although it's similar to software developing, the role is a little different as the responsibilities increase. Along with coding new requirements, they have to test, deploy, and monitor the entire process as well. Experience assurance. Over and above to quality assurance, this role involves making sure that the end product is released, keeping user experience in mind. Security engineering. During the development phase, the security engineering skills are to be used to embed the security requirements into the product itself. The timely deployment of the product is ensured. The engineer also makes sure that the functions are up and running most of the time. Junior DevOps Engineer or System Administrator. Traditional IT operations or system administration professionals focus on keeping the servers running. DevOps needs people who are open source pros, passionate towards technology, and effectively hands-on with the development platform, tools, networks, servers, and database, and even support. With a team structure formed, certain actions are to be followed. The goals of the company must be aligned with the DevOps team. This means that the business requirements and the company vision of the organization must be at par with the objectives of the DevOps team. This approach allows the team members to focus on the business target rather than the individual projects or goals assigned to them. This will create a DevOps team structure based on a specific objective or goal, increasing visibility among team members and also giving them a sense of purpose when they are at their workplace. Coming to the part where it's time to implement DevOps, there are tools segregated in terms of building, testing, and deployment of products. Jenkins, Puppet, Ansible, Chef are some of the tools used in DevOps. The final step is to figure out how well the DevOps team is performing, and that can be done by tracking some key performance indicators like deployment frequency, security and quality, volume of errors, etc. Several researchers have made it evident that both business and customers stand high chances of benefiting from DevOps development. The following are some of these benefits. As the IT professionals no longer have to pay attention to the end goal, but the process, it increases job satisfaction. Once DevOps is introduced into the administration, the teams acquire a clear roadmap on how to proceed and complete a goal, thus saving a lot of time on operational activities. Some of the traits that a best team structure can have are close-knit collaboration. This structure changes the once siloed development and operations team and redeploys them as a tightly woven, highly collaborative parts of a company working side by side. This approach maximizes the blend of software engineering skills and deep systems knowledge. This way, everyone is aware of the various aspects of a particular project. Dedicated DevOps team. Dedicated DevOps team comprises of people who are experienced with skills like vision control, writing infrastructure as code, and continuous delivery. Its main job is to address the problems that are most painful, such as automated deployment. Once they are done with it, they move on to providing shared services for the organization. Cross-functional team. It consists of professionals working together from different disciplines for developing and deploying a product or service. The team should be empowered and self-sufficient. They write it, test it, and deploy it. Technology has always been something that has helped us find order in chaos. It has helped us put together the best of our works and achieve more in the field of overall development. Similarly, DevOps has opened up newer ways for the upcoming and established companies to attain order, reliability, and stability within themselves.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.